Welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams program. Today's first question is, what does Section 29 of the Trademarks Act, 1999, primarily address? Option A, copyright protection. Option B, patent infringements. Option C, trademark infringements. Option D, industrial design rights. The correct answer is Option C, trademark infringements. Recently, in the Broad Peak Investment Holdings Limited and another versus Broad Peak Capital Advisors LLP, and another case, the Delhi High Court held that sporadic use of a trademark cannot be assumed as a ground to assume goodwill or reputation. Section 29 of the Trademarks Act, 1999, mentions the direct or registered trademark infringement. Second question is, from which country's constitution is the concept of equal protection of the laws, incorporated into Article 14, derived? Option A, British Constitution. Option B, German Constitution. Option C, US Constitution. Option D, Australian Constitution. The correct answer is Option C, US Constitution. Recently, in the Josnamai Mishra versus the State of Odisha and Ors case, the Supreme held that Article 14 of the Constitution prohibits negative discrimination. Article 14 of the Constitution of India, 1950, affirms the fundamental right of equality before the law and equal protection of law to all persons. The expression equality before law is of England origin, and the expression equal protection of law has been taken from the American Constitution. Third question is, what does Section 58A of the Transfer of Property Act, 1882, define? Option A, sale of property. Option B, lease. Option C, gift. Option D, mortgage. The correct answer is Option D, mortgage. As per the Section 58A of the Transfer of Property Act, 1882, a mortgage is the transfer of an interest in specific immovable property for the purpose of securing the payment of money advanced or to be advanced by way of loan, an existing or future debt, or the performance of an engagement which may give rise to a pecuniary liability. Fourth question is, in the Indian legal system, which of the following writs is issued to protect a person's personal liberty when unlawfully detained? Option A, habeas corpus. Option B, mandamus. Option C, certiorari. Option D, quo warranto. The correct answer is Option A, habeas corpus. Habeas corpus means show us the body. It is a writ issued by the courts in India to produce someone before them who has been illegally detained. Last question is, which one of the following is a directive principle of state policy? Option A, to organize village panchayats. Option B, right to education. Option C, right to property. Option, right to move, Supreme Court. The correct answer is Option A, to organize village panchayats. Article 40 of the Constitution outlines a directive principle of state policy, emphasizing the state's responsibility to facilitate the establishment of village panchayats. Now it's time for practice question under Section 498A of the Indian Penal Code. Cruelty includes Option A, physical cruelty only. Option B, mental cruelty only. Option C, cruelty by wife. Option D, harassment of woman. Share your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.